Uh, how many of you are there? Let me just find out. 1 second. Okay, there are only 9 students. And okay, other 2. Okay, let me take the attendance now. Okay, I'll just scroll through the students who are available. Abhilash, Gagan, Gagan H. Mahantesh, Prithvish, Gauri, Tejas, Injara, Vishwas. Okay, who is absent? Sirish and? Okay, let me just find out. I think most of you could able to do the circuit for which one? NAND gate. Can I know how many of you could able to do it? So I could able to see only 2 or 3 of you could able to send it. Okay, maybe today I'll going to make that Moodle platform run for your VLSI. So I want you put in the chat box. So did you find? Okay, did you face any difficulty in writing the schematic for the NAND gate? So make it fast in the chat box. Done sir, no sir, Prithvish no, Mantesh no. Okay, who else? Yes, who else no? Gagan, yes, no. Okay, no problem, Vishwas. Dancer, Gagana, Tejas, no. Okay, may know the reason for no's. So those who wrote no, can you please just give me what the reason? Hello.
No problem, sir. We did it.
No, sir. Matlab okay, no problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is okay. Fine. Now let me just try to do it for a NOR gate. So of course for NAND gate, how it looked. So this is your NAND gate. We wrote the NMOS using this, and then this was the PMOS. This was A, B, this A, B. This was your Y, which is equal to A cross B. Sorry, A dot B. This is VDD ground. Can somebody Abhilash? Can you just unmute? Yeah. Can I interchange this A and B's?
Yes, sir. We can do that also, sir.
Can I interchange these two?
Yes, sir.
Fine. That's done. Let me just 1 second. Give me. Sir. Hello, sir. ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗಲಿ yeah, that's not a problem. Okay, let us go for NOR gate. So now this is NOR gate. Are you getting some idea? Okay, how I'm writing NAND gate and NOR gate? So this is equal to A plus B whole bar. Again AB, this is AB, this is VDD, and this is ground. Again, will this work for NOR gate? So what is the NOR gate truth table? Abhilash, NOR gate.
SB all bar, sir.
No, fine. Okay, truth table. How do you define NOR gate? Hello. Hello. Abhilash, don't mute yourself. You keep unmute.
Okay,
So
sir.
don't keep on just switching that your mic on off. For NOR gate, how do you define?
So if any one of the output is high, then if any one of the input is high, then output is high, sir.
Hey, NOR gate.
Sir, yes, sir.
NOR gate, come again. If any one of the input is high, output is higher. Can I write this as 1, 1, 1?
No, sir. If both the inputs are low, then the output is high, sir.
If both the inputs are low, output is high.
High, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
shall
sir.
I say, if any one of the input is 1, output is 0?
Yes, sir. You can also say that.
Yeah, this is fine. Instead of saying, okay, all the input 0, you simply say, of course, both are same, but it is typically we say that if any one of the input is 1, okay, output is 0, because it is exactly opposite to OR. Fine. What is one thing you noticed here between this and this? So, just a layman observation. Hello.
Sir,
What is the
sir,
observation here?
PMOS are connected in parallel there, sir, NAND gate.
Here.
But in OR gate, PMOS are connected in series and NMOS are connected in parallel, sir.
Parallel, fine. Okay. Can you relate your equation of this and this? So, what is something common?
Sir,
Something.
negation.
Okay, that is very important. So, in CMOS, the output is always an inverted one. Meaning, so you cannot have something like this. So, this type of implementation you cannot do it. That is A into B, something like this. You cannot do it. In CMOS, you have to always have an inverted output. So this is always inverted output. You cannot, suppose if you want to get A plus B, you cannot do it using only this. What you have to do is, if you want to get A plus B, first you have to get A plus B whole bar and then one more bar. Or I will do, okay, this is there, then I will pass it through one more inverter. If I pass it through one more inverter, is it like a plus B double bar?
Yes, sir.
Can I cancel out these two bars and say A plus B?
Yes, sir.
If at all, if you want to have a non-complemented, non-negated outputs, you need to pass the final output through one more inverter, or using CMOS, you will always get a negated or a output which is always with a bar. Okay, that is one observation that you could able to observe in CMOS. CMOS outputs are always having a bar. We usually write it as y bar is equal to a plus b, or y bar is equal to a plus bc, y bar is equal to ab plus c into d, something like this. So these are implemented. These are implementable. Suppose if you want to have y is equal to a plus bc into d, then you have to put double bars. First you have to implement this complement, and then once again you complement, then you get the required answer. Getting that point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that is one good observation. What are the other observation? Looking at these two. You said, of course, you rightly said, okay, here it is parallel, here it is series. It's exactly the opposite in case of NMOS. What is the one more observation? Anybody can also pitch in and say what is the observation. Just look at these two. Can you see whenever it is AND, whenever it is A and B, are they in series? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whenever they are in OR, such as A plus B, they are always parallel. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Whenever it is A plus B whole bar, okay, forget about this, what is that? Inverted, okay, bar. Can you see if it is A plus B, you put NMOS as parallel. If it is A into B, put NMOS as series. Whatever is the combination for your NMOS, for PMOS it will be the exact opposite. If they are in series, they become parallel. If they are parallel, they become in series. So is it like, okay, duality? In your duality, you'll have, okay, something which is there in parallel, you write it as series. If it is in a series, you write it as parallel.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
let us try out. Of course, this will certainly work out. So there is no problem. Okay, no need to verify this truth table. Okay, you will going to get it. Okay, can we just verify one example whether this is true or not? Assume that one of the input is 0. This is 1 0. What will happen? How the output is 0 here? Abhilash?
Sir,
If it is
NMOS
1,
act as NMOS is on and PMOS is NMOS is on for A and PMOS is also on for B. B, sir.
see here, whenever one of them is 1 here, when A is 1, is this switch closed? Closed matlab,
Yes,
is
sir.
it on? When it is on,
Sir.
whatever charge that is there will be get discharged by this. Correct? So there is a path available for the charges to discharge from here to here. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So of course, when I say charge that is there is a capacitor effectively available. So assume that this was charged to VDD. This was charged to VDD. So you have an output capacitor, something like this. Let me call it as CL. This is having charge VDD, and you have two switches. You have two switches in the form of A and B's. Suppose if this switch closed when A is equal to 1. So does this capacitor has got a path for to discharge down to ground?
Yes, sir.
So there is a path available. So it is not necessary that both should be on. Either this is on, both are on. Does the output become 0?
Yes, sir.
So that's why in this case as well as in this case, output is 0. Why? You are providing a path for the capacitor charge to discharge to ground. Either it is through this transistor or this transistor, or using both transistors. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
Now, how about the opposite? Okay, how about this now? Because when of course we talked about discharging. How about whenever it is discharging? Let me just again take the same example. You have this. You have this one. Suppose if A and P 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For this 0 1. For this 0 1, suppose if I say this as A B, this is also A B. Can you see whenever it is any one of the input is 1, so do you have a path for your capacitor to discharge either through this or using both of them?
Yes, sir.
When do you, okay, in all the three combination, is there any path for this VDD to charge this capacitor?
No, sir. There is no path for VDD, sir.
Why?
Sir, either one of the switch is closed, open, no, sir.
Perfect. So you can see in this case, this B is open, because whenever B is 1, this is off now. For this may be on. This may be on, but this is off. So if this is off, there is no path. So that's why it is not turning on. How about this? A is off. How about this? How about this?
So both are off, sir.
Both are off. So this capacitor will have only the discharge path in these three cases. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
There is no charging path. When I say, because when you have a capacitor, capacitor can either charge to VDD or discharge to ground. Correct? So to
Yes, sir.
charge to VDD, you need to have a path from VDD to capacitor. To discharge to ground, you need to have a path to go to ground. So in these three cases, you have a path for your capacitor to discharge through these two MOSFETs, either one or both. How about this 0 0?
Sir, there is a path for VDD.
There is a path for capacitor to charge to VDD. You have to say like that.
Yes, sir.
There is
Okay,
a capacitor. Capacitor can charge
That's it.
up to VDD through these two switches. How about
Okay, sir.
when it is 0 0? How about this NMOS?
Sir, NMOS are off now, sir. Open circuited.
So both are off. There is no question of discharging. Only capacitor charges. So you should not have any path where it is charging as well as discharging. You should not have that path. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What I mean is, whenever either you should provide a path for your capacitor to discharge either through 1, 2, or you have to have a path for charging. You cannot have this on, this also on, so that it is neither charging nor discharging.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
That's
sir.
fine. Now let us slightly go a bit complex examples. This is y bar is equal to AB plus C. So I want to implement this. Now you can see, suppose if you want to write the combination, how many combinations will you have?
8 combinations.
Okay. Okay. Can we write the combination output? Is it 1 1 1 1 and then this is also 1? Am I correct? This is 0 0 0. This is there. Well, if you write it, am I correct? Hopefully, I'm correct here. Okay. This is okay. One second. This is y. I'll write. Okay. I'll write y bar. So is this now? What is that? Just the complement. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. This is my final output. Because it is easy to write y and then its complement. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start implementing? Maybe you can have this as a clue. This as a clue. Whenever something is there in okay, and you put it as series. If there is a or, put it in parallel. So I'll just try to do it. So you can see there is A and B which are and. So shall I put AB here like this? Correct?
Yes, sir.
There is a
Yes,
plus
sir.
and there is a C. So since it is OR, I will put that C in series with this. Sorry, in parallel with this.
Parallel with this.
So this is done. So NMOS is done. So how do I write the PMOS? See,
So
for PMOS, are these two effectively parallel here? See, are these two parallel? This and this segment. Hello. Akash, Abhilash. Abhilash gone. Abhilash?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are these two segments in parallel?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on.
Parallel.
Now, whenever I want to write the pull-up network, of course, let me also say something called as, this is called as pull-down network. P-U-L-L down. Why the name pull-down? This whatever circuits that are implemented using NMOS are called as pull-down network because this is responsible for bringing the output down to 0. That's why it is pull-down. One second. Sir. Getting the point, pull down. Gagan, okay, Abhilash. One second. Abhilash, pull down, got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Tell me why.
Sir. It's a pull down network, no, sir.
Why it is called as pull down?
Sir, the capacitor discharges through the ground, sir.
No, capacitor because pull down net. Okay, the network is called as pull down network because it brings the output to ground.
Okay, sir.
You have the output. Output is pulled down. What do you mean by pull down? You reduce the voltage to 0. And the network which is implemented using the PMOS is called as pull-up network. Why it is called as pull-up? Because it is responsible for making the output voltage to go to high, VDD.
Okay, sir.
So this is pull down. All NMOS implementation in CMOS circuit is called as pull down network. The one which is implemented using PMOS transistors are called as pull-up network because NMOS is not responsible for making the capacitor to charge and PMOS is only responsible for making the capacitor to charge. Of course, for this to charge, this should be open. That is there. But the charging of the capacitor is done through the pull-up network. The discharging is happening through pull-down network. Correct?
Okay, sir.
So, implementation of pull down network using NMOS if it is in and you put it as series. If it is or you put it as parallel.
Parallel.
Correct? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to implement the pull up network. The pull up network is exactly complement or the duality of this pull down network. So shall I now write these two are parallel, no? These two segments.
Yes, sir. Parallel, sir.
I will put it as series. See, now this is C. Now if I want to put this in series with this, I'll put it here. But this segment you have two things in parallel. Sorry, two things in series. So this series should become parallel. This is A. This is B. This is your Y bar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
See now, are these two segments parallel here?
Yes, sir. Parallels.
So have they become series?
Yes, sir.
Now in that series, okay, you had only one C, that is only one here. But here these two are series, they actually become parallel.
Yes, sir.
So this is the implementation of this Y bar is equal to A, B plus C.
Okay, sir.
Shall we see one of the combination? You just pick which combination you want to verify.
So 0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0. This one.
Yes, sir.
Output should become high.
Logic low, sir.
This
Sir,
one.
okay,
This one.
sir.
This should become high now.
Okay.
It's not Y. It's Y bar implementation.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Can you tell me okay how it will happen? Can you justify? Now when it is 0, 1, 0, output should become high. That means this capacitor what you'll be having should be, there should be a charging path for this capacitor to go to VDD. Is A 0?
Yes, sir.
A 0 means is it on?
Yes, sir. PMOS on, sir.
That's what. This is on. How about this? C.
C also on, sir.
So does this capacitor get a path to charge to VDD from this? Can you see the path?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why it is going to VDD. How about this here?
Sir, A and C are off, sir.
There is no path.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So as I said, you will have the capacitor to either charge or discharge path. Both will not be available simultaneously. Correct?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, can I take some other student who is there with me now? Okay, Gagana HA.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you just explain? Okay, how does this can happen? 1, 0, 1. Output should become 0.
Sir, in PMOS, ANC mass is closed circuit, sir.
No. This is 1. This is also 1. So is the
Yes,
PMOS
sir.
on or off?
Sir, PMOS, ANC mass are on, sir. PMOS are on.
Allam. Okay, this is 1. No, for 1 P is off. For 0.
Okay, sir. A and C are off.
Okay, which is on?
B, sir. B.
See, only this is on. These two are off. Since this is off, it cannot, even though your B is on, it can't charge. So that's why charging
Yes,
path
sir.
is not available. Is the
Yes,
discharge
sir.
path available?
No, sir.
Allama, discharge path is nodi. So see in the bottom pull down network. So why it is becoming 0? See, if the output has to become 0, there should be some discharge path.
Yes, sir.
Is the discharge path available?
Yes, sir.
Through what?
Sir, A and C.
See, A is here, C is here. So, but
Yes, sir.
B is open. So, through what to get the capacitor can discharge? Can it discharge? It can't discharge here. Why it can't discharge?
Because B is open.
So, what is the path?
So C
Correct.
to ground.
It is only this is the path that is available.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
This is
Yes,
open.
sir.
This is open for your this combination. So
Yes,
you
sir.
still have a path for your capacitor to discharge through C.
Yes, sir.
So that's why output is 0.
Yes, sir.
Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want some other to, of course, you just verify for different combinations. I'll just pick one more student. Whom shall I pick? Mantesh?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
which combination you want to pick?
Sir, 111.
111, easiest one. Okay, fine. Tell me. 111, how the output is going 0?
Sir, there is no path to charge, sir.
Why?
Sir, yeah, everything will be off, sir, in
All,
PMOS.
no, not instead of saying everything, all P MOSFETs, all pull-up
PMOS is
networks are off.
off.
Then
Then there will be path to discharge, sir. All NMOS will be on.
all NMOS transistors are on because it is above threshold voltage. So when you have all on, can the capacitor discharge?
Yes, sir.
Capacitor can easily discharge.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now let me just okay, go to, how about this particular thing. Uh, who else is there with me now? Prithvish. This is Prithvish. Prithvish,
Sir,
tell me this. For this combination,
100.
100,
Yes,
how the
sir.
output is 1?
If 100 is 1 is A
Hmm.
is on. A is on,
A,
B is
A, A,
off,
A, A, A,
C is
A, A, A.
like pull down, sir.
Pull down.
In
You have to
N,
take. You have to say. Okay, fine.
uh, in pull down circuit, A is on, B is off, C is off.
Correct.
In
No, no. What does
in
that?
P,
What does that result in?
it results in A is on, but still B is off. So circuit from this side is not open, and even C is open.
Okay. What is the result of that?
So it will not be connected to ground. So
Meaning,
it is
yeah,
cannot discharge.
perfect. So there is no discharge path available for capacitor. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
next.
Then in the upper circuit
Don't say
in
upper
P
down. Say pull up.
pull up circuit,
Okay.
A is off,
Okay. Hmm.
but
Hmm.
C B is
Hmm. Hmm.
on.
So.
So there is a
Hmm.
path in the parallel through B,
Parallel.
and C
Okay.
is on.
Okay. Fine. Then.
So
Hmm.
this capacitor is,
Hmm.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
So it charges, sir.
So there is a charging path available for capacitor to go to VCC. Correct.
Charging path. Yes, sir.
Charging path is
Yes,
available.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Shall we do next circuit? So are you now getting some hold to write the CMOS circuit of any equation? Let me just try out the next one. Y bar is equal to A plus B into CD. Maybe plus E. Try out this. Vishwas KP, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Yeah, start implementing. Maybe after 1 or 2 minutes you have to show your circuit. Just put in the chat box. Are you getting, are you trying now? Anybody done? Hello? Vishwas, can you show your circuit? Who is this?
I'm doing, sir, 1 second.
Yeah, fine. Is anybody done? Of course, not to be hurry. Yeah.
Sir, down part I done, sir.
Okay.
I mean, pull down.
Pull down. Okay, output
Sir,
is only 0. You have to get the output high also.
sir, same thing opposite.
Yeah, do it. Same thing opposite. When you start writing, you'll get to know the heat. And don't try to simplify anything. So don't use your brain of what is that? De Morgan's theorem, that law, this law, all those things. It's not required. Just implement the plain circuit as it is now. So we're not trying to reduce the circuit and then implement. As it is, how to implement. It's always better to implement the pull down first and then implement the pull up. So because pull down is exactly the circuit as in the equation, so that if it is plus, you put it in parallel. If it is and, you put it in series. Is it done? Okay, let me. Yeah, Tejas.
Yes, sir, it's done.
Okay, can you just show in your. Okay, let me. Why don't you show it? Yes, Tejas. Okay.
Wait, sir, I will take into photo.
Okay. There itself, you can show it there, no?
Sir, I am using mobile.
In mobile, you can turn on the camera and then. Okay, fine. I'll leave it to you.
Oh, okay.
Can I share, sir?
Yeah, Vishwas. Just show in your mobile.
Yes, sir, I am showing.
Let me see. Okay, now you have A plus B. Okay,
Is it visible?
yeah, it was. This is okay. Vishwas KP. Yeah, no, you can see fine. Vishwas. Here
Yes,
you
sir.
have AB is in series. That's perfect, and you have CD in parallel. CD. Okay, that is fine. CD in parallel, and then E is in series with that combination. How about
Yes,
these two parallel? They have to come in series in your pull up now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
This has to go on top of that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tejas, maybe same issue with you. Yeah, Tejas also same thing.
Hello.
Tejas, okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Tejas, what is that? It's actually internal. Sorry. Who is that? Vishwas, not Vishwas.
Yes, sir.
Vishwas, no. Show me your circuit again back. Your circuit was pull down is actually A plus B into, no. So it would have been there in
Yes, sir.
series. Okay, I think he wrote it fine. Where is he? Vishwas. So this AB have to come in series. Who is this?
Okay, sir.
Mantesh is fine. Mantesh AB is there coming in parallel. That is in series. CD. This is fine. AB fine. This is CD perfect. E. Okay, perfect. Mantesh perfect. I think Tejas is also fine. Take out, okay, Mantesh, yours is fine. Okay, Tejas. think Tejas is also fine. Who else? Gauri? Gagana and Gagan.
Yes, sir, but like that that is not correct in answer.
Okay, no problem. It will happen. Prithvish? Okay, let me just try to show you the circuit now. So since we have these two in what? OR, put them in parallel. I'm just talking about the pull down network, and these two are OR, that is AND. They are the AND operation. Put them in series, in which you have this CD is again, and this is E, ground. You exactly do the opposite here. You have this is AB, and you have this. So these two are in series, they'll become parallel, and in this you have this as E, and this is, because these two are parallel, they'll become series. So this is C and this is D. Where is the output taken? Output is taken exactly here, Y bar. Am I correct? Perfect.
Sir, one doubt is there, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how to get Y if I mean this whole complement, how to get, sir?
This one. Just put an inverter.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is Y. See, I'm having an inverter. Whatever is there, you just pass it, just put a bar on this, so that will become Y.
Okay, sir.
So as simple as that. So this is Y bar, that is Y. Are all of you through here? Shall we do one more? Hello. So Y bar is equal to AB plus C plus D into E. Or maybe try out this. Trying out. Okay, immediately after this, we'll close the class. Can somebody speak out? Gagan?
Doing, sir, still.
Done with the pull down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe Gagana might have sent it, but unless you write ABCD, it doesn't have any meaning. Gagana?
Sir?
Yeah, I
Yes,
think
sir, I
you have sent this
mentioned.
one. Huh? You have to write
Yes, sir.
ABCDs.
Yes, sir.
You can see the EF. EF, they have to come in series. You put that last two transistors EF also in parallel, it has to come in actually series. Got that EF? Gagana? EF, the last right hand side two transistors, you put them in series. First you write ABCD, so you get to know.
Yes, sir.
Is it now looking interesting? Prithvish is showing something. Let me see what he wants to show. Prithvish. Okay, EF, AB. Where is the circuit? Okay, AB plus CD. Perfect. And then AB will become. Okay, Prithvish. Only point is that pull up EF. Pull up EF has to come in parallel with this. Okay, ABCD. What the point?
Yes, sir.
EF of the pull-up network has
Sir,
to come in parallel with this ABCD. Got it?
okay.
Here, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
This EF is actually
Yes,
in
sir.
series. You of course you made that E and F as parallel. That is perfect. But this entire EF, E and F, which are in parallel, have to come in parallel with this entire network. Got it?
Oh, yes, sir.
It has to come in parallel with this entire
Yes, sir.
network.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir.
it is fine. Can somebody else also show it? Okay, others, can you see Prithvish screen? I think they can able to see, or only myself.
Sir, visible.
Visible, fine. This is Mantesh. Perfect. Okay, this is EF, A, B, C, D, A and B are parallel. This is plus. Okay, EF. Perfect. Mantesh, done. Okay, this is Tejas.
Sir.
Tejas, see the pull-up network. Of course, if at all if there's a problem, it's only in the pull-up network because pull-down is straightforward implementation. Just see the pull-up network. AB are parallel even in your pull-up network. Okay, that's fine. Okay, they have to be parallel. See this CD. C and D, they have actually become what? Series, which is perfect. But this CD has to come in series with this AB. Correct?
Okay,
Tejas?
yes, sir. Yes.
This C and D have to come in series with A, B, which are parallel, and that entire thing should be parallel with E and F.
Okay, sir.
I think otherwise it is fine. Gauri, Injare.
Sir, I have sent you on WhatsApp.
You have to say no. I didn't. Okay, let me just have a look at. This is AB perfect. EF perfect. Whereas in the pull down there is no EF, no? Gauri, in the pull down network E and F are missing.
It is below the series with that.
You have to write no. And there is no VDD, there is no ground. You have to write complete. Otherwise, okay, from where it will charge, where it will go to ground, where it has to discharge. On the top you write VDD, on the bottom you have to write ground.
Yes, sir.
Okay, complete that and then resend it. Who is this? Abhilash. Abhilash, it's why don't you share, Abhilash? Share your screen so that I can see it properly. Abhilash. NGRA is also trying to show. NGRA, that E and F. Okay, that is fine in the pull down. NGRA, it looks fine. Gauri, now I think it's perfect. A, B, C, D, okay, F, perfect. Okay, this way you can able to implement any Boolean expression using the CMOS circuit. You have to implement the pull down and pull up network so that they are going to represent the complemented, okay, whatever output you have, which is always negated one, using the CMOS circuits. Was it interesting today's topics? Yes, no, say something.
Sir.
Okay, it was interesting. Fine. We'll meet. Do we have class tomorrow? When do we have? Tomorrow we have the class. Okay. What we'll discuss tomorrow is. So, can you see this screen? Let me just take only one more minute. Can you see here? The output is becoming 0 so many times. Can you see the output is becoming 0 here, 0 here, 0 here? So, why it is becoming 0 in all the three cases? Hello. Initially, before it becomes 0, suppose if the output is high. If the output was VDD, the output becomes 0 upon giving this combination, this or this combination. Am I correct? One of you unmute. Hello. Who is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, before this, assume that okay, earlier you had this combination 0 0 and output was VDD. Correct?
Yes, sir.
From 0 0, you make only this as 1. Does the output goes to 0?
Yes, sir.
Because only B transistor is on. If you make both the transistors on, does the output again go 0?
Yes, sir.
In which case it becomes 0 fast. That also matters. Because anyhow there is a VDD, it will go to ground. So in which case it goes to ground fast. Matlab, because we know that when I say it just goes to ground, is it like okay, capacitor is discharging? Capacitor is discharging like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Now the question is,
Yes, sir.
which takes longer time? Which takes longer time? Whether this is T1, T2.
Sir.
Whether it is T1 for 0, 1 combination or 1, 1 combination, or it is the reverse. We'll observe all these things. So this is your capacitor output voltage. So it discharges to 0, it discharges to 0. In both the cases it is becoming 0. But in which case it becomes 0 faster. Faster, that is what is the VLSI is. So far we were just bothered about what is the final state, whether it is becoming 0 or 1. Now next question is how fast it becomes 0 or how fast it becomes 1. Come again.
Based on the resistance of the MOSFET.
That's what.
Based on the resistance of the MOSFET.
Perfect. So we'll see. Okay, how do we make sure that all the transistors are sized in such a way that so that they can have least what rise time and fall times. Okay, then thank you so much.